Alright, it's me, BDC. We're at the Portage River walk. This way is north. That way is west. And look at that over there. Chicago. I don't know if I can zoom in on it. Or not. Anyways, those shadows. Yep, that's Chicago. Might be able to see it better from the other side. So anyways, this is the Portage River walk, Portage, Indiana. We're at the far south shore of Lake Michigan. And we're gonna film a little erosion. North wind brings up some pretty good sized waves. Lake Michigan lake levels rising. Continues to rise. Yeah. They closed down the pavilion. Probably just because of the season, I would imagine, honey.
No, it's telling us where they have the water flow.
Because of the erosion.
Yeah. It's not the
Whew. It's actually kind of cold. I'm gonna put my glove back on. So they put a fence up. So anyways, this is what we came to see. Just kind of moved the fence on us. Well, anyways, well, we could film it from this side probably. Anyway, this is what happened. The large sand dune that you're looking at right now used to go all the way across. This part of the lake right here was never there. The sand dune used to go from here all the way across to where that area is right there. We used to have 100, maybe 200 foot of beach line right here. Now the lake level's up and it's severely threatening the dunes. So what happened this winter, well, this first winter storm right here, the waves came up and pushed that dune out. It completely washed it out. There's probably about a 50 or 60 foot gap right here, and that's why all this water's in this pond now. The pond was there before, but it was dry. Now it's got water in it. I'm gonna try and get another view of it from the other side. But you see they got us all locked out. Area's closed. So anyway, there used to be a concrete pavilion type thing like that one over there. It was over here, and you could sit there and watch the kids. So this walkway here used to go all the way across out to the beach. And there is no more beach. So I got my wife here with me. How's it going, guys? So they closed this all off. Yeah, so you can see the gap. So for the gap from here to there is fresh. From here to there is fresh. So that's probably 100 or more. 100 or more feet. So that object right there is the little concrete bench that used to be at the top of the dune on the sidewalk, like the one back there. Now it's in the water. A good 20 foot into the water, which is pretty ridiculous. So you can see some of the rebar sticking up there where they had the supports. You got your old pictures on your phone?
Yeah, I did. I was showing them.
Yeah, well, show me. I'm more in videoing. I don't want to see that. I want to see the dune. I want to see the kid. Yeah, well, that'll be on another video then. So there's Chicago. There's the break wall. Lighthouse. Whew, it's a little colder than I thought it was. I wanted to come here on a north wind because that's when you can really see the waves coming in. These are small waves. These aren't waves that will cause erosion. The big waves, when we get 40 and 50 mile-an-hour winds. Right now, we probably got about 35 mile per hour winds. I'm gonna take my glove off so I can zoom in. So here's the sidewalk that used to go across. There's a piece there, and another piece. There's a piece there, and there's another piece there that's under the water already. You can see like light spots out in the water where the sidewalk used to be. I was going to film this live, but technical difficulties.
Can I borrow that glove?
Yeah?
My hand's frozen. I forgot to use it.
So there's real good trout, salmon fishing right about now. There's a couple of guys down there fishing. The fall and the winter is when the coho and the salmon start running up the creek in our backyard. Oh, you can see a little portion right there
Of where you that, yeah. That
of
thing.
where that used to be too. Yep. So I'll do another video of the before pictures in a little bit when we get back home because my wife's got it on her phone. Where are you going?
It's open.
Oh, down the thing?
Yeah, because you can see something better that way.
More dogs.
Hi, dogs. Hi, dogs. I should have brought diver. Love it.
Alright, I'm going to start another video. Part 2 coming up.